Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to change the color effect of a sprite. First, we choose love for the sprite. Type love, I choose this one. Then go to the events, when click, then go to the looks, choose change color effect by 25. We try and see how it looks like. You only change one color, but I want it to keep on changing and changing. So I go to the control there, I choose forever. You see, it's too fast. I don't want it to be too fast change the color. So I go to control, I choose wait 1 second. This is to slow down the time for changing the color. See? It look nicer now.